The next important thing we shall be discussing is congenital melanocytic nevus, right? Now, what is this congenital melanocytic nevus? Congenital melanocytic nevus. Now, what is this? What is this congenital melanocytic nevus is that the first important thing you need to know is that it is completely dark, right? And it is covered with the hairs. Now, what is this? What is this is? First thing is we have got melanocytes, right? So, if there is hyperactivity of the melanocytes, congenital melanocytic nevus is gonna be seen in the children, right? So what is this congenital melanocytic nevus? As you can see, a black color patch over there, right? Now what is this black color patch is that this is nothing but proliferation of the melanocytes, right? What is happening here? What is happening is there is benign proliferation of melanocytes. What is that? There is benign proliferation. There is benign proliferation of melanocytes. Okay. Now, how is the patch, guys? I hope you have remembered it. Now, there is no need of looking at the picture again and again. So, just tell me how will be the patch? How is the patch there? The first important thing which you can see, is it diffuse or at a single point? Is it a single patch or multiple patches? Obviously, it is a single patch. See here, in the first thing, there are multiple like this. There are multiple, but here there is only a single patch on the face, right? So, can I call this as a solitary one? So, this is a solitary patch. Second important thing is that this patch is hyperpigmented or hypopigmented. Obviously, this patch will be hyperpigmented. Hyperpigmented. And where is this patch present? This patch is present on the hairs, right? So, this patch is overlying on the hairs. Either it might be hairs of the back, hand, face, abdomen, anywhere it can be. So this is how you depict this congenital melanocytic nevus. But another important thing I want to highlight here is that patients with this congenital melanocytic nevus, out of let us take as 100 patients, out of 100 patients, 5% of them have a risk of developing melanoma. Okay, melanoma is a cancer of skin, right? So 5% of the patients have a risk of developing melanoma because of this congenital melanocytic nevus. So, to reduce the risk, what you need to do? Surgical resection of that patch, surgical resection of that nevus, right? So, when you surgically resect that part, the chances are less. The chances of developing or the chances of converting into a malignancy, chances of developing a melanoma will be less. So, what you need to do? What you need to do for this? You need to surgically remove. Surgically remove to reduce the transformation to melanoma. Okay, transformation to melanoma.